There are two types of text, single line and multi-line text. I'm going to use multi-line text. When you use the multi-line text command, you need to draw a window of where you want to draw. After you do that, your ribbon at the top of your screen is going to change, as you see here. You need to set your text height, which is going to be 0.125 before you start typing. Okay. And then you'll type your text, of course, all capital letters. And there's other things to do with it, like justification of where the text is. You'll be learning about middle center, so we'll put that on there now. And we're using single line text, which is in the Annotate tab. It says specify start point of text or, so I'll hit the down arrow. I'll choose justify. I could choose how I want it to be on the screen. I'll choose middle center again. I'll pick a point on the screen. Okay, see that right there? It says specify the height. You might not see that with polar tracking on, so let me take polar tracking off. You type in the height of the text, 0.125, enter. The rotation angle is 0, hit enter. And now you can start typing text. Okay, and the text command stays active until you hit enter again. Okay, when each text has a series of grips, that's these blue things you see here. Okay, multi-line text looks different than single-line text on those grips. This one here controls the movement, as so does this one here. Okay, with multi-line text behaves the same way, but you'll see the box in which you created, which of course you can adjust the size of the box as well. Okay, but to move text, you could freely move it onto an object, but you might be grabbing or snapping onto features of a line, or they're called object snaps. Currently I have object snap on that you can see in green. I think you might be able to see those on my screen as they're popping up. So if I were to move text to a line, I would need to use certain types of object snaps. Nearest, as you see pop up there, is useful for moving text, and this is where that's controlled in this area here. If I take nearest off, nearest is off, as you can see, but these other ones are on. If I move text and those object snaps are on, you'll see the midpoint snap pop up. So if I want to put it here, it's going to jump over to that triangle. Or if I would move it here, right there, it'll jump to that corner over there, and so on. That's how you move text. Give it a shot.